So, where can I trade synthetic indices? Where can I also trade synthetic indices? Which broker offers synthetic indices? So, you are in luck if you've been seeing lots of people making money with synthetic indices, and you also wondered where can you also trade these synthetic indices, or which brokers also offer these synthetic indices. This quick video is just about that. So I've basically put all the brokers that I use for trading my synthetic indices on the screen right now. The QR codes are on your screen right now if you want to scan the QR codes. I've also put the links in the description box below, as well as in the comments section. Those are the best brokers that I basically use for trading synthetic indices, and they are currently among, I think, at, at the point of making this video, they are the brokers that offer synthetic indices. Did I leave somebody out? Leave their name in the comment section below.